Hi everyone, and welcome to today's 15-minute yoga flow, which is designed as a full body movement and stretch to increase energy and release tension. Let's begin comfortably seated and take a big breath in through the nose. Exhale out the nose. Again, a big belly breath in and exhale to let it all go. One more big inhale and exhale. Now lower your right ear to right shoulder and feel a nice stretch in the left side of your neck. Now head through center and over to the other side, breathing deeply. From here, roll your chin to your chest and right ear to right shoulder again. Chin to chest, left ear, left shoulder. Continue rolling out your neck one more time in each direction. Lower the chin to the chest once more, hands on your knees. Begin to round deeply through your back to a seated cat stretch. Breathe 3 long deep breaths across the shoulder blades. Begin to arch your spine now. Press your heart forward, lift your chin, reach your fingertips behind you, and breathe deep across your chest in a seated cow stretch. Now come back to center with hands at heart. Interlace your fingers and create a figure 8 pattern with your wrists, massaging out your wrists in one direction. Then switch and move in the other direction a few more times. From here, shine your palms straight forward, then reach the arms up and overhead. Take a big breath in as you lengthen your spine. Now hinge over to the right, breathing into a left side body lateral stretch. Good. Back through center and over to the other side. Continue with long deep breath. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist to your right side. With your right hand behind you, left hand to right thigh. Growing taller with inhales. Now come back through center and twist the other way. Growing taller with inhales, twisting deeper with exhales. Beautiful. Let's come back through center and onto all fours, tabletop, with hands under shoulders and knees under hips. As you exhale, round your back to a cat stretch, relaxing the neck. Inhale to arch your spine and slightly lift the chin through cow pose. Exhale to cat, a nice back stretch. Inhale through cow, a belly stretch. One more each way, moving with your breath. From cow pose, lower your chest and chin down to 8-pointed bow down. Then slide your legs straight back, forehead down. Fingertips by your chest to the outer edges of your mat as you inhale through a baby cobra. Exhale, lower the head down. Inhale to rise up again, perhaps a little deeper. And exhale, forehead to the ground. One more. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, lower down one vertebrae at a time. From here, slowly press back to child's pose. Big toes touch, hips to heels. Breathe deep into your back body. Rolling forward now to tabletop. Tuck your toes to downward facing dog pose. And take a moment, bending one knee deeply at a time. Find stillness in down dog, pressing through your hands. Lengthen your spine. Then lunge your right foot between your hands. Lower your back knee and untuck the back toes. Stay in a low lunge pose with hands under shoulders, breathing deeply across the left hip flexor. And slowly shift back now to a half splits, lengthening through the front leg. Keep a long spine as you breathe into your front hamstring. Now roll forward to your lunge and step back to downward facing dog. Stay here for a big breath in. Then exhale to lunge your left foot between hands, lower the back knee, untuck the toes. With hands under shoulders, open your chest forward and let your hips melt down to a nice right side stretch. Slowly send your hips back to a left side half splits hamstring stretch, maintaining a long spine and a long deep breath. Roll forward into your lunge and step your back foot to the top of the mat with your feet hip distance. Plant your fingertips and press to a half lift. Now slowly bend through the knees, lower your hips and lift your heels to toe stand. As you exhale, straighten the legs out and forward fold. 2 more. Inhale through toe stand, lift your heart. Exhale, forward fold over gently bent knees. 1 more. A big deep bend in the knees, lift your heart, lift your heels. And exhale, plant your feet. Take a moment here in this nice deep fold. Any movements that feel good. Good. Now press into a half lift. Inhale. Then lunge your left foot back. Walk your hands between your feet facing the long edge. Parallel your feet. Then guide hands to waist and rise to stand. Point your toes now to the corners of your mat and lower the hips between the knees. Knees in line with toes, hands at heart for goddess pose. Stay for a couple more breaths. Now press your legs straight, point your toes forward, and sweep your hands to touch up and overhead. Exhale to swan dive forward, reaching hands for calves, ankles, or heels. Draw yourself through to the best of your ability. Keep a bend in the knees if you need. Slide your hands under your shoulders and press to half lift. Then walk yourself to the back of your mat, pointing your left toes to the left corner as you lower the back knee down. Left hand to the thigh. Gently open your leg to the side as you gaze back, breathing into the hip stretch. Return through center, point your left toes forward, tuck your back toes, pivot that heel down, and rise to warrior two. Stack shoulders over hips, arms in one line, and gaze over the left hand facing the back of your mat. Press firm into both feet here. Inhale to press your legs straight, pivot the feet parallel, hands touch, look up. Exhale to warrior two, other side, facing now to the top of your mat. Sink a little deeper into the right leg. Circle your hands to the ground, and from runner's lunge, lower the back knee. Point your front toes to the right corner, and with hand to thigh, gently open your hip to the side, gazing back, breathing deeply. From here, we come through to a yogi squat at the top of the mat. So plant your hands and step your back foot outside the left hand. Lower the hips between the heels, with the option for hands at heart center. Slide your fingertips behind you and sit on your mat. Feet and knees together, hands holding thighs. Chin to chest as you roll onto your back. Hug the knees in. From here, cross your right leg over top of left. With hands to shins, hug your knees in towards the chest. We'll take several breaths in this right hip stretch. From here, lower the bottom foot, the left foot to the mat, and catch your right peace fingers to your top big toe. Keep a bend in the knee if you need, or extend the leg if that's accessible. From here, gently open your right leg to the right side. Feel a nice stretch on that inner thigh. Keep the opposite hip grounded to the mat. Guide your top leg through center and bend through that knee. Then take the opposite hand to that knee and guide both knees over to the left side of your mat now, onto the ground, gazing over your right shoulder for a full spinal twist. Slowly guide your knees back through center, hug them into your chest, and cross left leg over right. Hands to shins, hug the knees in, and breathe deep into this hip stretch. Inhaling fully and exhaling to soften deeper into the mat. Coming through your inner thigh stretch on the left side by planting the bottom foot, catching peace fingers to big toe, and extending the top leg to the best of your ability, and then opening the leg to your left, shining the heel upward if possible, breathing into the inner thigh. Relax the face and the jaw along with your shoulders into the mat. Lift your left leg through center, bend through the knee, and catch your right hand to that thigh as you guide your legs over to the right side. Release the left arm and shoulder to the mat as you gaze over it. Soften deeper with every exhale. From here, roll back onto your back and hug the knees in. Take a big breath in. Exhale, forehead to knees, big squeeze. Then lower your head again. Rock up to a seated position centered on your yoga mat. Turning your palms to face outward. Inhale, take the hands to touch up and overhead. Exhaling, hands at heart. Thank you so much for joining me in today's mini flow. If you liked it, please let me know in the comments. Consider sharing it, giving it a thumbs up, and even perhaps subscribing to this channel. We will see you in the next one. Namaste.